Hello guys, in this video, let's take a look at our hands-on challenge from the unit Control Access to the Fields. So here there are two objectives in this challenge. The first one is to create a clone of the standard user and name it Sales. So this is where the standard sales team members can create, edit and view accounts, but not delete them. And the second objective here is to create a permission set where only the senior staff of the sales team can view the rating field on the accounts, but the other members of the sales team cannot access that. So let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground. This is our setup page of our Trailhead Playground. So first, to create the profile, let's go to Profile. And click on New Profile. Here, let's select the existing profile of standard user. Let's name the profile as Sales. Let's copy and paste that. Okay, now our sales profile has been created. Now let's do some modifications to our object settings. So first, we will add read, create and edit access for the account objects. So let's go to accounts. And here the read, create and edit are there by default. So they should not be able to delete the record. So let's click on edit. And let's remove the delete option over here. And in the field permissions as well, we do not give them access to the rating field on the account object. So let's search for the rating field. So here we remove the read and edit access. So let's go ahead and save this one. Okay, now let's go back to our object settings to edit one more object, which is contacts. Let's find our contacts object. So let's go to our contacts from the Find menu. And let's click on Edit. So here we need the same permissions as accounts, which is read, create and edit, where we do not have the option to delete. So let's disable the delete. And let's once again make sure the rating is switched off. So we do not see any rating option. So let's go ahead and save this one. So now we have created the standard sales profile with customized accounts and contacts permissions. And we do not have access to the rating field. So to give access of the rating field to the senior sales members, let's create a permission set by going to permission. Let's jump into the permission sets. So this is where we will be adding an extra layer to give them access. So let's go ahead and create a new permission set. The label is rating. Let's just copy paste that. And description is, adding creating access to senior staff. Okay, and our license is Salesforce. Let's go ahead and save it. Here, let's go to our object settings. And let's find accounts. So I believe rating. Yeah, here is the rating part. So let's go to edit. And let's enable view and edit for this permission set and go ahead and save it. So for this challenge, we'll just be creating the permission set. There's no need to add it to any user. So this is all for the challenge. Let's see if you have done everything right. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.